Are you tired of juggling multiple devices and platforms just to call your leads? In this video, we'll show you how to streamline your lead communication by calling directly from Follow-Up Boss, boosting efficiency and engagement. First, make sure your Follow-Up Boss account is properly configured with a connected phone number. To make a call, simply navigate to the lead's profile. Within Follow-Up Boss, you'll see their contact information displayed prominently. Next to the phone number, you will see a phone icon. Click this icon to initiate a call directly from the platform. Follow-Up Boss will use your connected phone number to make the call. A calling window will pop up, allowing you to take notes during the call. This is a great way to capture important details about your conversation. After your call, choose the appropriate disposition from the drop-down menu to categorize the call's outcome, like connected, left voicemail, or wrong number. Adding detailed notes and selecting a disposition ensures accurate tracking and helps inform your future follow-up strategy. After you select the disposition, save the call. All calls made through Follow-Up Boss are automatically logged in the lead's activity history, providing a complete record of your interactions. This makes it easy to review past conversations and stay organized. To ensure you never miss a follow-up, schedule a task directly after the call. This task will appear in your Follow-Up Boss task list, reminding you to take the next step with the lead. By calling leads directly from Follow-Up Boss, you'll experience improved communication, better organization, and more effective lead engagement. Start calling your leads today and watch your sales soar.